Hi. Let me mute the TV. My name is Sarah Mell. I am from Salina, Kansas. This is my cat. Her name is Kitty. I have lived in Salina most of my life except for when I was in college. I taught at Oakdale Elementary here in Salina for 6 years. I taught 5th grade for 3 years and 4th grade for 3 years there. I now am in my 2nd year of teaching ESL at Schilling Elementary, also in Salina. Both of these elementary schools are Title I schools. I am not currently a librarian, but look forward to learning more and discovering how I will run my future library. My future roles as a librarian is to collaborate with teachers to understand their needs. Our current librarian has been working at our school as a librarian for several years. She is very open to helping teachers however she can, and she takes great pride in helping all the students from pre-K to 5th grade be successful readers. I hope to one day be amazing of a librarian as she is. I want to inspire students to enjoy reading and always aspire to be the best they can. I look forward to watching students grow throughout their years in elementary school. Students at this level grow so much. Our school has the highest population of ESL students in our school district, and it is important to have a variety of Spanish books. Our librarian and continues to do an awesome job of making sure our library collection is relevant for our students, and I plan on doing the same. I look forward to gaining knowledge and getting to know other future librarians through this course. Thanks. Also, I don't know what a headshot is, so if someone could let me know how I put a headshot in here, that'd be awesome. I'm struggling. Thanks.